You 5 pages of instructions in different languages. So that will be covered. It says to just put the batteries in it. I've done that. This is the water spout that I have on my Intex hot tub that I have. It acts like you can screw it in there. There is zero way to screw that in. So this does not work for all Intex models. They really should update the listing and put which models that will work for, because it does not work for all Intex hot tubs. So just be mindful that you might waste your time just because they didn't put the models of the hot tubs that it works with. So, because there's literally zero way to screw that in. But it does fit in there. But it's just, there's no way to screw it in.